Welcome back to my channel Gurukul. If you are watching my video for the first time, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for all notifications. Today I am going to start with part 3 of exercise 16.2. Now question number 7. If the base of a right angle triangle is 8 cm. So right angle triangle इस तरह से होता है. This is right angle and this is the triangle. Okay? और बोला गया है उसका base is 8 cm. So base is 8 cm and the hypotenuse is 17 cm. So what is hypotenuse? The longest side of the right angle triangle. तो ये है longest side. So वो है 17 cm. तो इसको नाम दे देते हैं A, B and C. So यहाँ पूछा गया है that we need to find its area. So area of a triangle is half into base into height. So height तो unknown है. So height यानी कि AB. So in order to find AB, हम लोगों को क्या करना होगा? According to the Pythagoras property, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So AB is unknown, हम लोग उसको कॉपी कर देते हैं. Plus BC square is 8 square is equal to AC square is 17 square. So AB square is equal to 17 square minus 8 square, or AB square is equal to 17 into 17 gives us 289 minus 8 8s are 64. So AB square is equal to 225. So AB is equal to square root of 225. So 225 का square root कैसे find out करेंगे? By prime factorization. So 225 by 5, 45, again by 5, 9, then 3, 3 and 3, 1. अब इसका next step क्या है? हम लोगों को pairing करना है. This is one pair, this is another pair. So AB is equal to 5 into 3, that is 15 centimeter. So हम लोगों को height मिल गया. Therefore area is equal to half into base into height, that is half into base is 8 into 15. 2 fours are, so 15 fours are is 60 centimeter square is the answer. Question number 8. In the adjoining figure, triangle ABC is right angled at B. So triangle ABC. ABC. So B पे 90 degree है. Right angle means 90 degree. And its legs are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So legs means AB and BC. So 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Now we need to find the length of the perpendicular BN on the side AC. अब ये देखिए ये है side AC. Side AC is also called the hypotenuse of the triangle ABC. Right angle triangle ABC. So अब यहाँ पे एक perpendicular है starting from B. और इस point का नाम है N. तो हम लोगों को इसका height का measurement find out करना है. So let me begin. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग area निकालते हैं. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height, which is half into 8 into 6. So 4, 6 fours are 24 centimeter square is the area of this right angle triangle. Right? अब हम लोगों को क्या find out करना है? हम लोगों को ये जो hypotenuse है AC उसका measurement find out करना है. So according to the Pythagoras property, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 36 plus 64. So AC square is equal to 100 और AC is equal to square root of 100. वो कैसे निकलता है? By prime factorization. So चलिए आपको दिखाते हैं. ये देखिए 100, 5, 2, 0, again 5, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. Next step is the pairing. So वो क्या हो गया? 5 into 2 which is equal to 10 centimeter. So now in order to find the measurement of the line BN, हम लोगों को क्या करना होगा? Area is equal to half into base into height. Area हम लोगों को मिल गया था, that was 24 is equal to half into, अब यहाँ base हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? 10. Because now we are dealing with the line AC, क्योंकि AC के ऊपर ही है line perpendicular, right? So इसीलिए यहाँ पर base हो गया 10 into height which is unknown. So 2, 5 और 24 is equal to 5H. So H is equal to 24 by 5. That gives us 4.8 centimeter. So this is the answer. Question number 9. In the adjoining figure, area of triangle ABE is equal to the area of parallelogram ABCD. तो चलिए पहले हम फिगर ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. तो फिगर कुछ इस तरीके से है. This is the parallelogram A, B, C and D. Alright? और उसी के अंदर एक ट्रायंगल फॉर्म्ड है. वो है something like this. ये है पॉइंट E. अब यहां से ये देखिए, ये है ऑल्टीट्यूड जो कि नीचे जा रहा है बेस AB पर, और ये पॉइंट है F. अब चलिए आगे का क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं. तो यहाँ बोला गया है इफ ऑल्टीट्यूड EF इज 16 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग. तो कहाँ है EF? ये इसका लेंथ क्या बोला गया है? 16 सेंटीमीटर. We have to find the length of the altitude of the parallelogram to the base AB of length 10 centimeter. तो AB का measurement है 10 centimeter. So ये जो altitude है EF, ये altitude तो triangle का है. So we have to find out the altitude of the parallelogram A, B, C and D. तो वो कैसे होगा? और आगे बोला गया है that what is the area of triangle AMD? So triangle AMD, ये वाला जो point है, this is M. So ये देखिए एक triangle है AMD. So we have to find the area of this triangle. अब बोला गया है that M is the midpoint of side DC. मतलब ये side DM is equal to the side MC. This is given in the question. तो जो चीज दिया है वो मेंशन कर दें. that DM is equal to MC, reason है given. Alright? तो शुरू करते हैं. तो सबसे पहला है that they have said that area of triangle ABE is equal to the area of parallelogram ABCD. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग area of the triangle ABE का निकालते हैं. So area of triangle ABE is equal to half into base into height, which is half into, ये triangle ABE का base क्या है? AB, which is given 10 centimeter into 10 into height EF. is mentioned 16. So यहाँ पे हो गया 80 centimeter square is the area of the triangle. Now, area of the triangle ABE is equal to area of parallelogram ABCD. और रीजन हमारा हो गया गिवन. तो अब हम लोगों को निकालना है ऑल्टीट्यूड ऑफ द पैरेललोग्राम टू द बेस AB ऑफ 10 सेंटीमीटर लेंथ. राइट, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. सो एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम ABCD is equal to base into height. और ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड है that the area of parallelogram is equal to the area of the triangle ABE. तो यहाँ पे उसका वैल्यू बैठा देंगे which is 80 is equal to base is 10 into h और 10h is equal to 80 और h is equal to 80 by 10 that is 8 centimeter. तो पहला पार्ट हम लोगों को मिल गया altitude of the parallelogram to the base AB of length 10 centimeter. अब बोला गया है that we need to find the area of the small triangle which is AMD. So area of triangle AMD is equal to half into base into height is equal to half into base है 5 centimeter. क्यों? क्योंकि वहां मेंशन्ड है that DM is equal to MC which is 5 centimeter. ये चीज क्वेश्चन में मेंशन है that M is the midpoint of the line DC, right? And the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So line DC is equal to the line AB into height अभी हम लोग निकाले वो है 8. So after calculating, we got the area of the triangle AMD is equal to 20 centimeters square. So this is the answer.